Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about morbidly adherent placenta. Hello friends, let us now learn about morbidly adherent placenta. So if you see, morbidly adherent placenta is of three types. One, placenta accreta. Placenta accreta is superficially attached. To what? To myocardium. Okay, then we have placenta increta. Increta is inside, slow deep inside myocardium. Whereas placenta percreta. Percreta is P for P, penetrates myocardium and it is attached to serosa. It penetrates myocardium and it is attached to serosa. So what is the pathogenesis? If you see the pathogenesis, there is absent Nitta Busch layer, and one more, there is absent Decidia basalis are seen. Okay, so what are the risk factors next? Next, if you see the risk factors, one, we have placenta previa. Placenta previa in pregnancy, in present pregnancy. Placenta previa in present pregnancy is the first highest risk factor. Then the next risk factor is if the patient has previous history of C-section, okay, which is the second risk factor. Then if the patient has history of uterine curettage, or if the patient has any history of uterine surgeries, like any surgeries like myomectomy, or if the patient has history of any hysterectomy. Okay, so all these are the risk factors of morbidly attached placenta. So if you see the clinical features, if the patient is an undiagnosed case, in undiagnosed cases, if undiagnosed, the patient presents with refractory PPH. She presents with refractory postpartum hemorrhage. Now if you see the diagnosis of how you are going to diagnose it, diagnosis is what is the investigation of choice. Investigation of choice in antenatal period is ultrasonography, that is transvaginal type of ultrasonography is done, and here the ultrasound will show, it shows cynoplacental sonolucent areas. It shows cynoplacental sonolucent areas. These cynoplacental sonolucent areas will represent that Decidia basalis is absent. Next, then there will be presence of heterogeneous absence of placenta. There is complete heterogeneous or complete absence of placenta is seen, and you will also see presence of placental lakes are present. So what is gold standard? Gold standard is MRI is the gold standard for this test. Okay, what is management? How are you going to manage the patient? Management is you can do elective C-section can be done, plus hysterectomy is done. Now, if you see this placenta accreta, it is most commonly seen in placenta previa. Okay, now if that is elective C-section and hysterectomy should be done. If the patient refuses for this, then you should leave the placenta which cannot be removed. That cannot be removed. The placenta that cannot be removed is left. should give methotrexate. Why methotrexate should be given? Because this methotrexate is given to prevent gestational trophoblastic neoplasia. If you leave the placenta without removal, this will result in autolysis of placenta. So this is about morbidly adherent placenta. Thank you for watching.